Welcome to our channel. Performance auto parts that can transform your ride. Start with performance tires. The first upgrade I always recommend is tires. A good set of performance tires instantly changes how your car grips, handles corners, and even brakes. Upgrade the brakes. Next up, better brakes. Performance pads and rotors give you shorter stopping distance and more confidence when driving fast or even just daily commuting. Suspension makes a huge difference. A proper suspension setup, shocks or struts, transforms how stable your car feels. Less body roll, more control, and a way smoother ride. Cold air intake for better breathing. A cold air intake is a simple mod that helps your engine breathe easier. You'll notice sharper throttle response and sometimes a small horsepower bump. Exhaust system for power and sound. A performance exhaust isn't just for noise. A well-designed system reduces back pressure, gives you a bit more horsepower, and yes, that deeper tone everyone loves. EQ tuning or programmer. Reprogramming your EQ with a tune can unlock hidden horsepower and torque. It customizes how your car runs and makes the most of other upgrades. Performance spark plugs and ignition. Better plugs and ignition components might not sound exciting, but they deliver cleaner combustion, better fuel economy, and stronger performance overall. Lightweight wheels. Swapping to lighter wheels reduces unsprung weight. That means quicker acceleration, better handling, and even improved braking. Plus, they look great. Performance clutch or transmission parts. If you're running manual, a stronger clutch helps handle more power. For automatics, upgraded components can improve shifting speed and durability. Forced induction upgrades. If you're really chasing power, adding or upgrading a turbo or supercharger is the big leap. It completely changes the character of your car. Aerodynamics and body kits. It's not all for show. A well-designed spoiler, diffuser, or lip kit improves airflow and stability at higher speeds. And yes, it also gives your car attitude. Don't forget maintenance. One last thing, performance parts shine only if your car's basics are in shape. Keep up on oil changes, filters, and routine service so the upgrades really pay off. Thank you for watching.